Welcome to the SmartKids channel.
What sound does the dog make? It's a parrot. What sound does a parrot make? Who is it? It's Frog. What sound does a frog make? What sound does a squirrel make? Look, kids, it's a cat. What sound does the cat make? What animal makes the sound move? It's a cow. And this is not an animal. It's an insect. It's a bee. And this is fish. What sound does a fish make? Fish don't make any sound, just splashes of water. Here comes the king of beasts. It's a lion. What sound does a lion make? Who's that? It's a rat. What sound does a rat make? It's a horse. What sound does a horse make? What sound does the pig make? What sound does a tiger make?
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Bye bye.